Okay, so you should have the other meal.
Yeah.
So it's not in there.
Pretty good.
Okay.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, Mark,
Yes, sir.
Mark, we got over that like that down
I
there.
just want to make sure.
And I think we got the lines.
They probably combined it or something. They didn't think that was enough acreage.
I got you. I can't hear thunder myself. But we got that, I think we found pretty close to the line. On top of the hill, go down the road, run back that ridge. The old gate back there on the side that lays down. We found an old fence, come across there. And then according, we got that out thing on the phone, we
Yeah,
showed
I
the
figured
property
you
line.
did, yeah.
And it looked like that big holler, it just follows that big holler all the way down to where the plant is.
Mm-hmm.
And then that Crawford guy down there, front outside of it, sticks across, it comes up to the field. And, of course, it goes to the creek on the backside all the way around.
Yes, I'm trying to see if y'all ever got the body cam footage and the dash cam footage and radio traffic that I requested like a month ago or more.
I feel like we had something for Ben Dean to pick up. Is that you or not?
That's what.
Ben Dean's my attorney.
So you think it's all in there?
So that
You
big
think it's
holler,
one?
not really that pipeline, the line.
Ben Dean's my attorney. I'm picking it up on his behalf.
All that.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Yeah, because,
But there's a lot of trees back there. There's been some fire.
would that make sense as the other piece of, property that
It's
you're
hard
talking about?
to,
Would it make sense?
I think it
So you're
would.
gonna
What
call my lawyer
acres
and
is
ask
that?
You think it would?
Yeah.
I wish they broke this down.
Jeremiah
Well, I
Payne.
went through the same thing with the county and they told me it was on there, but we just wanted to make sure.
Well,
that hill would work real bad.
Cause it's just a rental house.
I did my own records request for it too.
He don't look like he got hurt.
Okay, that's good.
on there,
Fence mark.
So there should have been two separate ones.
I don't know why it would be
Leave
less.
that side of it, we'll cut better.
Or maybe he's missing, maybe he's not right on the acreage, so.
And
He's 87, so I'm just trying to make sure he doesn't have back taxes or something.
But it's been hurt pretty good.
Yeah, I can't remember it. Past 35 years.
Yeah. We're working over on, 257 right now, and, a loud guy,
I really like the t-shirts, those are
and
cute.
he's had his place.
Shouldn't there have been a separate one
Yeah,
also?
they are, there's,
And it was burnt, but it was burnt
thank you
so
so
much.
much. I'll send that, I'll let you know.
All right, thank you.
You want me to check on the thing?
Yeah, could you check and see if there is?
You know where, Grubbs' old sawmill used to be? This place Joey did on the backside. If you go around the Lyle Road, come down Lyle Road, you about a mile down the wrong way. But that's where we're cutting right now. But I'd like to deal with y'all doing,
See,
y'all
I'm
idea, yeah, do understand that. If you want us to do it, I'll do it for you.
Okay.
You're welcome to
Because
check me
they
out
have
in the county.
This
Get on the
number right
internet,
there,
check
but they don't
on things I've done
have
over
this.
That's
the years.
what we were
You want
confused
to call
with.
us out over and talk
But
to
on
you.
here, when I'm
working
looking at
right
the
now.
screen, it lists both of these.
Okay.
And
I'll work with all
it
the sheriffs
says
on
the
it.
calculation.
I would be interested in buying it straight
Okay, he could be off on his acreage.
If it would.
Thank
So
you.
why don't you change the
That leads me
overall
to,
price?
but you would think they would have that.
Separate, yeah.
It would show up. but-
That's why we were questioning.
What they'll do, or if they cut fire, you cut one down, you cut 10 foot of it off, you've lost your money. You know, but I would cut it 50-50 for y'all if you want me to do it.
It just shows the land value.
Don't know when I would do it.
The total value, I mean, that.
Okay.
Later on in the fall, it's going to be bone dry before we go in.
It must be.
Thank you. I know.
I'll be honest with you, it may be one of them deals you went with
The
us.
rest of the day.
Thank you too.
Fall, so we could and work a month or 6 weeks, or they have to wait and come back next year, we'll buy it up again and finish it up. I'm not saying I could go back in the whole time, because I've got 3 or 4 jobs, I've got 2 jobs that's over done last year. So I over on, you know that guy, over on Life Chapel Road, he lives up When you go down White Chapel, go by, when you go across the bridge, down both
She
sides of the
doesn't
road.
have your records request. I don't know if it didn't get delivered to her, but that's why there's not another copy.
Well, when I came up here not long ago, and y'all gave me an envelope with a letter in it saying that the reason why I couldn't get it is because it had to be redacted.
Okay.
And
I don't know why.
okay, could I get an open records request for?
I do. That old road board back there, if y'all got anything, any kind of piece of equipment, you can break that road up any for me, y'all got anything.
So I'm gonna go to
Yeah.
I don't wanna do that.
Well, if you could get that road straightened out for me, if you do anything, do that, it would really help us. I don't have a dozer, I've got a skidder. Well, if you put road.
All right, thank you. You see, guys, ironically, they do not have my records request. But I got the video for 𝕃.𝔻. He'll make me a copy of it, and I will get it uploaded eventually, so that way everybody can see the full encounter of what happened at the vehicles when they made me lay my phone down on the car, handcuffed me, and placed me in the police car. Again, everybody, Greenbrier, Tennessee seems to be home of the tyrants and home of the people who want to hide shit. I was asleep.
You was asleep?
Yeah.
I wasn't. I've been watching my phone.
You what?
I wasn't asleep. I was watching my phone.
I wasn't.
She's been watching her tablet. I have a doctor's appointment.
You have a doctor's appointment?
Yeah.
Well, they came to the door and tried to get you and they said y'all was asleep.
No, they just talked to us.
Yeah, Dr. Mullins just came out here.
Step out the vehicle.
I was.
Why am I stepping
crying
out?
Talk to him over there.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
She's trying to grab out of me. Sorry.
No, you good.
But
Because we got a call that said y'all was passed out.
Oh,
I was asleep. I laid back. I was
sitting here watching my
sitting back
phone.
asleep.
I
Yeah,
have a
I
doctor's appointment at
was.
3:15, and Skylar was playing at 3:15. I called when I got here because they told me to put it back here. I've been sitting with bronchitis for like a month and a half.
You know what time it is, right?
Yeah, I've been sitting here waiting. I called when I got here at 3:15.
here, okay.
Yes, sir. I called it when I got here at 3:15. Told them I was on the side door because that's where they tell you to come if you're sick. So you don't come in the front and get anybody else sick. That's where they always say to come. So told them I was back here. They said they would send somebody out. So Dr. Mullins just came out a second ago and asked me if I was okay, and I said, yeah. I mean, I didn't hear him. He tapped on my window as soon as he did. I said, yes. I was watching my phone, and she was watching her tablet. Me and her have been sitting here playing. He was asleep. He's been asleep. I wasn't. I was watching my phone.
I was the one
waiting for him to
asleep.
come out.
I was watching my
Yeah,
tablet.
because somebody thought I was asleep too. Yeah.
That's a lie,
Yes, sir.
man.
No.
That's a straight up lie. I was the one asleep. Them two was awake.
I want you to bring your daughter.
Huh?
I didn't want you to bring your daughter. You got a little closer.
Oh yeah.
No.
No, but I was the one that dozed off, not
No, sir.
her and the daughter
I
was
would've done the same
awake.
thing if I would have thought two adults were asleep and a kid was playing. No, she was sitting here in between
Scott,
us.
it's too cold. Get
Me
back
and her
away
were
from the
talking.
window.
She's been watching Callview, I think, on her tablet.
Yeah.
And I was just watching a TV show. Just waiting. Honestly.
You don't have a doctor's
I
appointment.
just figured they're backed up.
You have your license on you?
Because I've seen Lacey come to the,
You got the DL.
his nurse come to the door. With, not for me, but for a couple of times with other people.
car? I did. Why ain't he out of the car?
Why am I stepping out of the car?
Does he ask you to step out so he can
Oh, I
speak
thought
to
you said me.
Am I being detained?
There you go. Here, come here, Bugs.
You
Here,
are
get out of
being
his lap.
license, right?
I did ask for his
What's
license.
your name, man?
I'm not giving it, man. I have not.
Get him out.
Step at the car, sir. Step at the car.
Me?
Why are y'all pulling me out of the car?
Step at the car.
Why are you putting your hands on me? Why are you putting your hands on
Name
me?
and information. We don't know if you have active warrants or killed somebody down the street.
I have not committed no crime for you to get my information. This is America. I have a Fourth Amendment right.
Tennessee 087.
There's certain-
You can record. Just keep your hands on the car.
I'm just turning the phone where you see.
Just keep your hands up there, right?
I'm not gonna do.
I didn't say you were, but don't be turned around reaching.
I wasn't reaching. I was turning the phone around. He's searching me, y'all. illegally searching me.
Up here, okay? That's
I'm
all
not
we're asking.
reaching nowhere. I'm
Okay,
just,
well, don't be putting your hand back toward him. Okay?
man, y'all are acting fucking ridiculous, man.
What's your name?
I'm not giving it. I have not committed no crime.
Okay.
We're in Greenbrier, Tennessee, y'all. That's my.
Do what? Just making sure.
What's in here?
Nothing. It's a receipt.
Jesus. Do you understand why we got called, bro?
Because I was asleep.
Okay, I mean, look, think about it. Think about it. What's the biggest problem right now going on?
I'm being illegally searched, and y'all are gonna fucking be sued. Y'all, man, y'all don't know who I am.
Well, we try to ask you, you won't tell us.
I mean, come to the door, but.
Y'all are gonna find out by tomorrow when this video goes multi-fucking viral.
What's the pill?
That's my medicine. Why is it busted open? I don't know. But it in the bottom.
Yeah. I mean, it would have been super simple to say,
What's
here's
that?
my license or here's my
It's
name.
my Lyrica.
And-
I have a prescription for it.
yeah.
Where's your prescription?
No, you're good.
Sam, do you have my bottle?
What are you asking for, sir?
His bottle for his prescription for Lyrica.
Do you have the Lyrica model?
Yes.
I get them from here. I mean, so
Oh, okay.
y'all can call Walgreens.
Well, we can't ask him
Go ahead,
because
sit
we
your phone
don't know
down.
what his
Just
name
sit
is.
down.
He
Hands
give
right
us
back.
his name.
Can I hand the phone to my wife?
Hey,
I was going to
calm
hand
down.
it to
Just
her.
keep your hands behind your back. You got a knife up there. I didn't know you was reaching for the phone. I'm sorry.
Can you hand the phone to my wife? Sam, record this shit.
It's still recording, and we have it recording right there as well.
I don't care. I want my phone recorded.
Well, it's still
Your
recording,
phone's right
sir.
there.
Sam, pull your phone out and record this now. They're doing all this to me because I was asleep, dude. What the fuck?
Do you have a prescription for the pills
Yes.
you have in your pocket?
Give my doctor and I will have them
We're not
verify.
going to have your doctor come out here. This is your business. We're trying to give you benefit of the doubt, all right?
Look in my backpack and see if it's in there. I think I left the bottle at home. That's the reason why I had the pill in my pocket. I'm not going to jail. I ain't got nothing wrong, baby.
Come on. No, I can't see what you're reaching for. There's a big knife in there.
Give us all right. We'll be right back, all right?
You're good. Just a second. You want to hand me the bag? Where's it supposed to be?
No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
We didn't say you were.
Is this his?
We explained to you why we were here, and think about it. If we got two people asleep in a car, or appear to be asleep, and the kid just bounced around, and it's in the parking lot of a doctor's office, I mean, okay, and that's why we're here. That's the only reason. Well, we don't. I mean, I'm sure if they know you, they probably not the one to call. It could be somebody at the gas station or something like that.
It's your prescription bottle we're looking for. So. He's got the weapon drug. Or we can search that bag. But like I said, we're trying to figure out who you want. He's refusing us permission to look in there. Is there anything else in the car?